What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the 3-spot giveaway. I'm gonna run it just kind of like a Raz. We're live at 10:39 a.m. It just turned 10:40. So, guys, in the 3-spot, we got Mike, Adam, Andrew, Benjamin, and Tony. We're gonna go 3 times, okay, guys? 1, 2. Mike on top after 2. That is live at 10:40. 10:40, third and final time, guys. Good luck. Person on top wins the Clark Gillies Mike Bossy dual scripted sticks. Samich. 3 times. You lucky bastard. And that was in at 10:40. Just turned 10:41. Hey guys, 3 times. Mike's on top. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. I hope you guys had fun in the break.